record the matter of Dina Wise, 232.
Ms. Wise, would you please put your name on the record?
Dina Marie Wise.
Today's the date for the probation violation hearing for possession of controlled substance. This is alleging technical violations 1 through 5. Alleged your client failed to appear for probation visit December 3rd, failed to appear chemical awareness program on December 2nd, failed to appear for drug testing December 3rd, December 16th, and December 26th. You also understand the possible penalty as a result of your plea to this probation violation, and that the recommendation is for your under advisement status to be revoked, your probation to be revoked, case closed without improvement, $50 probation violation fee, and 20 days jail. Do you understand that that's the recommendation?
Yes.
The court will accept your plea to the probation violation, indicate technical violations 1 through 5 will enter. And counsel, ask the recommendation.
Your Honor, the whole last year, speaking to Ms. Wise, has been somewhat of a disaster. She's trying to get her life turned around. She's trying to get everything straightened out within her life. Her family life is basically going to extreme language hell. In the last month or two, her husband, who is her sole support, pays all the bills, takes care of all the business. They have now finally separated. She has no money to file for divorce. He comes and goes, doesn't take care of anything except himself, it appears. She lost 2 jobs over the last few months. In fact, she last lost her job approximately a month ago. She is trying to get employed, but more importantly, she's trying to get her head turned on straight. She knows she needs these programs. The recommendation is to revoke and also to revoke the under advisement status. If that happens, then of course there'll be not only the other consequences from this court, but also this would now affect her driver's license because of the drug-related matter. She is trying to get another work. She has an appointment scheduled to enter into some sort of self-employment arrangement. She's meeting with, I guess, her niece. Pardon?
My cousin.
Your cousin, who is a paralegal to help draw up the paperwork. This is, and I'm just reviewing what I reviewed. She's been on probation for approximately, I'm sorry, Your Honor, when was she placed on probation?
March. Yeah, February.
March. And
18th.
And this is the first time she's violated probation, or, there's been violations, so we are here. She's been struggling through all of these 9 months. I know there's things that have to be done, but I don't know if revoking her advisement status, putting her in jail, and revoking probation is the appropriate way to go. If the court feels because of this that there is a need for some sort of jail review, or at least jail, ending her probation is not going to solve the question. It's just going to put her in jail and she'll owe you money. I'm asking rather that probation be continued, that the under advisement status be continued, and she'd be able to turn herself around, get a job, or at least get the support she's owed from her husband so she can make these payments, and, suspend any kind of jail sentence at this time.
Okay, let me ask these questions to you, ma'am. Have you been attending the fan meetings?
I have not. I haven't. And I apologize. I have never.
Excuse me, it's yes or no. It was yes or no. Have you had any mental health counseling?
No, I have not. I've seeked out someone and I'm pretty sure it's just money. I don't have any money.
No,
So-
hold on, ma'am.
Yes,
Do you have any health insurance?
I do have health insurance. So with the counseling, which I know I need immensely. She is seeing if my insurance, which I have Aetna through the state, to see if she will accept that. Because I really like this one.
Yeah. When did you start that process?
This around Christmas time.
Okay, well, you were sentenced in March.
I know.
Counsel, your client hasn't done anything.
I understand you.
She has done zero. And in fact, the court even at sentencing indicated mandatory revocation of under advisement status for any violation. So, when's the last time you saw your probation officer, ma'am?
I seen her last year, well, December. No, excuse me. November. In November, and I was supposed to see her in December. It's been extremely hard the past 2 months. My gas got shut off. It's nobody's problem. I take accountability. I just know I don't deserve anything. I don't deserve it. However, I believe I'm worth it. I've never given it a chance.
So your client, other than meeting with probation once a month, has done nothing. And quite honestly, I think the violation should have come forth a little bit sooner regarding not attending fan meetings and not having mental health counseling.
May I have another chance? I know I can do it. I don't hurt anybody. I don't bother anybody. And I just have always been hard-headed as far as what people think I need. But sometimes people know what's best for me, you know? And I'm just ready to do that. I'm ready 100%.
Okay, good. I'm going to order 20 days jail. I'll suspend 15. She's going to serve 5. And we'll continue probation. Under advisement status is revoked per the court's previous order of probation. And
Your Honor, would the court reconsider that aspect of it?
no.
I don't have anybody to take care of I don't have anything. Please.
Ma'am?
Please. Yes.
What do you need? What do you need somebody to take care of?
My home, everything, just everything.
Well,
Could you please reconsider, please? Like I said, I don't deserve it. I know I don't.
excuse me, let me just clarify, ma'am. You
Okay.
haven't done any of your mental health counseling.
But I will.
I
will.
Stop. It's my turn to speak.
Okay.
When I crafted your sentence, I took into account all of your needs. I crafted the sentence according to your needs.
Okay.
You blew a lot of those needs off. You didn't go to your fan meetings. You didn't attend mental health counseling. And for the month of December, you pretty much did nothing that you were supposed to do.
Yeah, I'm a jerk.
Please stop. You were given the benefit of the under advisement status. And I ordered at that time, if there are any violations, you are going to lose that under advisement status. So you now have 5 violations. I absolutely am not going to continue the under advisement status. You had much notice, and quite frankly, you should feel fortunate in the sense that you weren't before the court previously for probation violations because you were not attending FAN and you were not attending mental health counseling. And you have insurance.
Your Honor.
I'm going to order 20 days jail. I'm suspending 15. You can report Friday, January 10th. That gives you a couple days to arrange for somebody to take care of your house.
Okay.
You're going to continue your probation. I'm also going to extend it 6 months from your original end date.
Okay.
If you were to test right now, what is in your system?
There's no alcohol and maybe some Adderall. I'm just completely lost. That's all. That's honest.
Are you prescribed Adderall?
I am not.
Okay.
I am not.
So here's what I'm going to do, counsel. I'm going to reverse it. I'm going to have your client serve the 15 days, suspend 5, and she's to be tethered to treatment to the Wayne County Jail. That will be a jump start on her treatment that she needs so desperately, that she's also indicating that she really wants.
Your Honor,
Yes.
may I say that I've never had trouble with drugs. Once in a while, I'll, get down on myself and do something. My thing is, and please hear me, my thing is trauma. I haven't dealt with it. That's my thing. It's not drugs. It's trauma. And then trauma for me leads to me being irresponsible, like so as today. And from the time I've seen you with this case, it's the trauma. And I deflect all of the time. It's not drugs. It's me, a personal thing in my head, things that have happened to me in my past, and they're extreme. And I just feel like everybody goes at the wrong thing with me when I'm telling you now, and just sort of reaching out for help when it comes to I need counseling. I desperately need counseling. And I know if I go to like these meetings like you're talking about and asking me to go to and ordering me to go to, I know I have to give forth and put effort. I know I do. And I want to. I'm 46 years old, and I've never admitted that I need counseling and I need help, because I'm okay. I can put things down. I can leave things alone. I just don't deal with my trauma, and I need help with that. It's always been ignored my whole entire life, since I was a little girl, since I was 5 years old. Just ignore it and kind of go for what the big thing that's in everybody's face. But I'm here telling you as a woman, and I know my position in life, but I just need help with my trauma. I have a lot of trauma.
Okay, and ma'am, I can appreciate that.
Oh, it's hard to hear you. It's hard to hear you.
I said I can appreciate that. However, you were afforded an
Your
opportunity.
Honor, I have to put my phone on the charger. I apologize. I'm taking you with me.
You are
And
afforded.
it's hard to hear you because. Yeah.
Have you ever lived in Florida?
Okay.
Have you? Okay.
I've been to Florida, yes.
Do you have another last name that you're known by?
My maiden name?
Yes. Which was?
Yes. Yes, ma'am. Absolutely.
So you're telling this court that you don't have a drug problem, that drugs isn't your thing. However, there are some drug convictions from Florida. And you're here for possession of controlled substance charge. And
it was drug paraphernalia. It wasn't an actual drug.
Ma'am, you're deflecting, right?
Yes.
So you say that that your coping is deflecting, but you continue to deflect. So I'm going to help you, ma'am, and you're going to report to Wayne County Jail on Friday. You're going to serve 15 days. You're to be tethered to treatment. The court is going to suspend 5. Your under advisement is revoked because, quite frankly, I'm not sure how you even got the under advisement since you have prior drug convictions from Florida. But in any event, that was recommended because perhaps that wasn't caught the first time. I don't know. However, all the other things that I stated are going to remain, except for the fan meeting. You obviously won't be out to attend that. You need to attend the fan meeting beginning in February.
Okay, so
if you do not report to jail on Friday, the warrant will be issued for your arrest. So you're going to
I understand.
You're going to email into Miss Shine, and she will give you the instructions as how to report. Okay?
Okay.
So I expect that you'll be at the February 20th fan meeting.
February 20th. Okay.
Yes.
Your Honor, I would like to apologize to you for
if it seems I'm being disrespectful and ugly. 'Cause I'm not.
Nope. And no apology necessary, you're fine.
Yeah.
All right, email into Ms. Shine by 1:30.
Thank you, good
Today.
luck.
Yes, today.
Okay, I'll email her. Thank you.
Thank you.